Good morning and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you on how to import AutoCAD files into SketchUp. And of course, sino bang ayaw makapag-produce ng ganito kagandang 3D modeling at ganito rin kagandang rendering? So come and join me. At first, buksan muna natin ang ating AutoCAD file. Kung ito yung AutoCAD file na i-import natin sa SketchUp, kailangan muna natin itong linisin. Okay? Linisan saan? Of course, yung mga unnecessary things, kagaya nito mga dimensions, itong mga column callouts, etc. Okay? So, umpisahan natin. Ayan. Isa-isa kong tinatanggal ngayon yung mga unnecessary things. Kasi mamaya, pag import natin sa SketchUp, kung hindi natin ito tatanggalin, mas mahihirapan tayo. Mas matatagalan tayong maglinis doon. Okay? So kung kaya, dito pa lamang sa AutoCAD, ay nililinis na natin. So in a few minutes, okay na ito. Ayan. Ito, sama na rin natin ito. So ayan. So kung ito ay okay na, so this is the file that you're going to import in SketchUp. Okay, and then save. So once you save it, you can now close this one and open or double click the SketchUp icon on the desktop. Okay, now before you press the start using SketchUp, there is an option here that you can click, okay, this one, the template. So click the template and then choose from the drop down menu. For me, ang gusto ko ay itong architectural design meter. So I have to choose this one. So once you click it, it will turn into blue. And then that's the time you press the start using SketchUp. Okay. So nandito na tayo sa SketchUp interface. Ayan. So by the way guys, I am using SketchUp Pro 2018. Okay, in SketchUp, we have so many tabs. The File tab, Edit, up to Help tab. Okay? And itong mga nandito sa ilalim or sa baba, just below the tabs, we call this one the toolbars, the different toolbars. Okay? So, in this one, this is the View toolbar. Okay? The Views. And then this one is the Styles toolbar. Toolbars. And the drawing toolbars. Okay. Now, paano nga ba tayo mag-i-import ng AutoCAD file dito sa SketchUp? Particularly if we are going to create a 3D model out of our AutoCAD file. So, at first, click the File tab and then look for the import. Okay? Once you click it, now, dito makikita natin at the right side, there are few files, the few extension files that we can see. Okay? But what we are looking is the AutoCAD files. Okay? So, dapat ito. Para lumabas yung file, AutoCAD file na hinahanap natin. Kagaya nito, no? So, ayan na. So, we have to click this one. Okay? Ito siya, the 3D modeling. Now, before you press the import button, we have to first click the option button. Dito sa option button, no, import AutoCAD drawing or DXF option, under geometry, kailangan po i-click natin ito, no? kailangan nakaklik sila, no? The merge coplanar faces, the orient faces consistently, and then under position, kailangan din po naka-click yung preserve drawing origin. So kung ano man yung pagkaka-create natin ng AutoCAD file natin, yung drawing origin on, it will be preserved. Okay? Then under scale, no, since meters ang original unit scale nun, so kaya meters ang ating pipiliin. So click the meters, and then that's the time we have to click the button OK. Now, click the import. Ayan, so eto na. Import results. AutoCAD entities imported. Ito, the layers, the blocks. And then AutoCAD entities simplified. And then AutoCAD entities ignored. So kung meron namang entities na imported, meron din siyang entities na ignored. The likes of dimensions, mtext, etc. Okay, so that's the time we have to close this one. Okay, nasaan ba yung drawing natin? Ito siya, yung imported file natin. Ano? So click the top view. O yan, para mag-reorient siyang ganito. And then, palakihin natin siya, no? Ayan. Now, eto na. Malaki na yung drawing natin. So, that's the time we have to click the default tree on the right side. Okay? Ayan. So, once you are here, under the layers, makikita natin marami siyang mga layers, no? These are the layers that came from the AutoCAD file, no? So, kasama yan nung in-import natin dito. So, kaya makikita natin ang dami. Now, kung ayaw mong gamitin itong mga layer names na ito, pwede mong gawin dito instead na isa-isahin mo ito is ganito, no? So, click the first layer, which is the columns, and then hold the shift button on your keyboard, and then click the wall layer. Ayan. Para ma-select lahat. And that's the time that you can click this delete layer. Okay. So, ito lalabas. Delete layers containing entities. Pagkadating mo rito, piliin mo itong move contents to current layer. So, pupunta na siya dito sa layer 0 kasi ito yung current layer natin. Okay? Huwag itong delete contents kasi pag delete contents, baka lahat ng drawings mo rito or walang drawings na matitira pagka dinelete contents mo. So, dapat dito lang sa move contents to current layer. And then, that's the time you press OK. Ayan. So, you see, ang natira na lang is ito. Okay, the layer 0. Now, pag nandito ka na, ang pwede mong gawin, o kaya kung gusto mo, i-verify mo ang measurement nitong imported AutoCAD files mo in relation to the dimension na gusto mo sa SketchUp. Okay? Click this one, and then you can drag this one at the X and Y axis. Okay, ngayon, maikukumpara natin ngayon itong, ayan, yan, itong scale nito, itong default na human figure natin dito, in relation to the size of your drawing. Ayan, so, proportion naman na siya, no? Now, isa pa, alam mo na ang pintuan mo is 1 meter ang lapad niyan, so you can cross-check it by clicking it here, and then here. So, ayan. So, 1 meter. Since tama siya, so okay na, no? So, meaning tama yung measurement ng in-import nating drawing. Okay. So, proceed na tayo sa pag-3D model. Paano nga ba, no? So, pwede mong gawin is, since naka-top view siya, para mas maganda siyang tingnan, click the ISO, no? The isometric view. Ayan. Or, pwede mo itong orbit. Okay, depende sa preferred mong view. Now, punta ulit tayo sa layers. Okay, itong add layer, click this one, and then say, for example, put this wall. Okay, So, layer name niya is wall. Click this one here. Okay. Yan, dapat ganito siya, no? It should be highlighted and the dot block is here. Now, that's the time pwede na tayo mag-start ng modeling. Now, pag clinic mo itong drawing, mapapansin mo highlighted siya. So, this one should be exploded. Otherwise, pwede mo siyang i-double click. Okay? Para makapasok ka dun sa group. Now, that's the time na pwede ka na mag-build ng 3D model mo. Kung ayaw mo naman, right-click mo siya, explode. Ayan. So, the drawing is already exploded. So, mas madali mo na siyang ma-access ngayon. Okay? So, now, once it is exploded, pwede na tayo mag-build ng 3D natin. Okay, paano nga ba? So, makikita natin itong wall natin, ano? Ayan, ito. Ayan, yan. Yung naka-double line na wall natin. So, paano natin siya i-build or patatayuin yung wall natin? Simply, para magti-tracing lang tayo, no? So, you can click here and click here. Now, yan, napansin natin, ano? Na-highlight na yung area na yun. Okay? And, say for example, here to here. Ayan naman. Highlighted na ulit. So, parang nagti-tracing lang tayo, no? Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So, continue lang natin. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Ayan ha. Gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, nagtitracing lang tayo. Tapos dapat walang open na side, no? Walang putol yan. So dapat yan buo. Ayan, para ito, pwede natin itong i-click and then delete. Yung hindi natin kailangang i-highlight. Ayan. So katulad nito, putol-putol yan. So dapat yan, linyahan natin ng isang buo. Okay. So, yan. May exterior wall na tayo, no? Now, kailangan itong ginawa natin na na-highlight siya ng may pagka-light blue, no? Kailangan yan is, ang orientation, ang proper orientation yan is nakaharap sa atin, which is the color white. Kasi ito, nakabaliktad ito. Meaning, inverted ang orientation nito. So, dapat right-click and then reverse face tayo ngayon. Ayan. So, kaya kulay puti, no? So, lahat yan, click natin. Click. So, by the way, pag nag-click tayo and add, habang activated yung arrow natin, ano? Yung selection tool natin, kailangan yung control mo nakapress. Ayan, napansin natin, nagkaroon ng plus sign beside the arrow, no? And then, click, click. Okay. So, continue clicking. Yan, until na matapos natin yung kailangan natin i-click. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Then, right-click, reverse faces. Okay, so yan. Nasa proper orientation na tayo, no? The faces are properly oriented na ngayon. Okay. So now, that's the time na pwede na tayong mag-extrude. Itatayo na natin. No? Extrude means itatayo na natin. Okay? Yung wall natin. Okay? Using the push and pull tool. No? By simply pressing the P key. Ayan. So, ayan. Yan ang extrusion, ano, na tinatawag. Ayan, mapapansin mo dito sa right right bottom, the distance, no, kung gaano kataas mo, drinag pataas, yun ang makikita mo. Ayan, no. So now you can simply input the dimension or the distance. Say for example, the height of the wall is 3 meters. So simply press 3 and then enter. Ayan. So 3 meters yan. Ano? So i-verify natin using the tape measure tool. Click here, going up. Now it's 3 meter. So we did it correctly. Now, again, ito naman, ganun din. Okay, ito click mo, and then click natin dito. Dito, pwedeng sa edge, or pwedeng sa face, on face, and then click. Now, since ang SketchUp, meron siyang memory command, or memory tool. So, kung ano yung huling command na ginawa natin, okay, particularly dun sa push and pull, at also at the same time kung ano ang height na in-specify natin, ay siya ring gagayahin niya sa mga susunod mong gagawin. So, just simply double-click this one, double-click, and then look what happened. Double-click, okay. So, ayan, by double-clicking lang, hindi mo na kailangang isa-isahin mag-input. Okay. Ayan. Ito. Ayan. Ayan. So, by double-clicking it, ayan. Masusundan na natin yung mga una nating ginawa. Paano kung aksidente mong nahatak siya pababa? So, undo mo lang, and then, click, itapat mo na doon, kasi hindi mo na magagawang i-double click pa. Ayan, ayan, mabuti. Ngayon, kung hindi mo nagawang i-double click na lang, just click and then drag it. Okay, so yan, meron na tayong pader, no? And of course, if you don't want to have these vertical lines, the unnecessary lines, you can get rid of this by simply pressing the E. Okay, that stands for eraser, and then hold the left click. Ayan, padaanan lang natin siya, no? Ayan, mag-highlight yan ng kulay blue. So, lahat ng ayaw ninyo na ganyan, no? You can simply erase that. Ayan. Pero kung kailangan naman din siya later on, hayaan nyo na lang muna siya na nandyan, no? So, ganun din ang pagbibuild dito ng wall sa interior, no? Okay, so ito, halimbawa, ito i-build din natin, patatayuin natin to. So, ganun din, magti-tracing ulit tayo. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Ito. Tsaka yan. Now, as I have said a while ago, kailangan ito naka-reverse faces. Ayan. Reverse faces. So, kung ang exterior wall natin ay 3 meters, ito naman ay gawin lang natin mga 2 meters. And then, enter. Double-click, 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 and double-click. Ayan. So, ayan. Meron na tayong exterior and interior walls. Now, para hindi na tayo lumayo, abangan ang mga susunod na videos na aking ilalabas. Nang sa gayon po ay matutunan natin at masubaybayan pa natin ang mga steps by steps kung paano mag-create ng 3D modeling in SketchUp. Kung nagustuhan at naintindihan ang aking presentation for today, paki-like and subscribe for more related videos. Until next!